Hi, my name is Latoinette and I make lifestyle videos about things I learned that I hope will make your life a little easier or a little more fun. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a couple of home organization hack projects that I have been wanting to try to make. They seem like a really good idea in my head, but I've never made them and I thought it would be fun to just film myself trying to make them for the first time. Maybe they'll turn out really well. Maybe they won't. Either way, I hope you enjoy the video. So the first organization dilemma situation I have is all of these cords. I like having them all together in a bin like this, but they get tangled when I'm trying to get one thing. I saw some ties that the Container Store had for sure, and probably some other places have them as well. And they looked really cute and really handy, but I have 3,412 different cords. So if I can make some sort of solution or organization hack without having to buy anything, that would be great. This is my bag of scrap fabric that I like to keep for times such as this. I kind of think like a t-shirt fabric would actually work really well because it doesn't fray like other fabrics like this. And t-shirt fabric is also kind of stretchy, which may make a good material for a tie. Honestly, I think this length should be plenty long enough. It might actually be too long. I just want to cut it so that way it's wide enough and won't tear. That might be just what I need to tie up all those cords. Now we'll see if this actually works. Wait, so it actually works. Now I just need to make about 300 more. So I had a wardrobe change. It's the next day. And the second project or organization hack that I want to try is actually for this yoga mat. I actually really like this mat. It doesn't have that weird rubbery smell that some mats have, but it didn't come with a strap or a bag or anything like that for storage. So it's just been flopping around my room for the last few months. So I figure I should make, kind of similarly to the ties that I made for all of the cords, maybe make something like that for this, but just bigger. So I found this scrap fabric I have that should be plenty big enough. I would just need to cut a really long white strip and I should be able to tie it all the way around. So I'm actually going to iron it out really quickly, just to try to get as many wrinkles out as I can and make it easier to cut. So now it's all ironed out. Well, this side of it is. I want my strip to be about 2 inches wide, I guess. Yeah, probably 2 inches wide when I'm all done. But because these ends fray, it's not like the t-shirt fabric, these ends are going to fray and I don't really want to sew a hem or anything like that. So I'm going to fold the frayed ends on the inside so that way, and then iron it so that way it stays flat. So let's see. So according to my calculations, I need to cut an 8-inch strip. I don't know if you can see it, but I just measured 8 inches in all the way down, and I just marked it at several different spots so that way I can just take my scissors and just kind of connect the dots and hopefully cut a straight piece. Okay, done. I'm going to fold this in 2 inches. I'll just take my pencil and then I'm just going to fold the fabric in at that 2-inch mark. And then I'm going to iron it down as I go. So I folded it here and then ironed it down. Then this side is going to fold in 2 inches and meet it in the middle. And then I will iron down this side. And then finally, I am going to just fold it in half one more time and iron it on this new crease, but I won't have any, this is like some frayed ends all cut, but as far as the long sides, I won't have any frayed ends showing. And I'm done. Let me cut this little frayed end right here. I could sew all of these down, but I don't want to do that today. So let's just see how this works just like it is. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'll roll that. Perfect. Wow, that actually worked really well. And it took about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to make. So the last project that I tried to make was for these stacking baskets that I have that are from Target. I really like the baskets because they stack on top of each other, but they're technically toy storage bins for kids, so they only come in pink and blue. Also, I'm not a super huge fan of the fact that you can see what's inside. My idea was to cover them in this white wrapping paper, but it just didn't work. I still want to change the look of these baskets, so hopefully soon I can successfully do that in another vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you can use one of these hacks. If you know a way that these could be improved, please leave a comment and tell everyone what your idea is. I hope your day has been and will continue to be as wonderful as you are. Stay amazing. Bye.